Hey, what's going on guys? This is Nechar and today I'm going to talk about the top 5 must-have tools for Angular developers. Number 5. InEurope. InEurope is a graphical user interface tool that reverse engineers your existing Angular project and helps you view details about the project. It allows you to navigate in the structure of your application and observe the relationship between the different modules, providers, and directives. InEurope performs static code analysis, which means you don't have to run your application to use it. It's available for all major operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac, and it's very easy to use it. Number 4. Agora. Agora is a Chrome extension that inspects your application on the web browser. It's only available for Google Chrome and any other browser that accepts Chrome extensions. In fact, it is the most used Google Chrome developer tool extension for debugging and profiling Angular 2+ applications. Agora helps visualize the application through components, trees, and visual debugging tools. Developers get immediate insight into their application structure, change detection, and performance characteristics. Number 3. Angular CLI. For most people, this should not be a surprise. Setting up a new Angular project can be complicated and rather long process. Luckily, Angular team saw this and decided to create an official tool to help, Angular CLI. It helps you create new projects, new components, services, directive, guard, among others without much work. This is especially useful to newbies trying Angular for the first time and still learning their way around. But Angular CLI is more than that. It helps you build your application so that you can run it on your browser or for deployment. During this process, it will remove unnecessary code, remove comments, and minify the project to make it lightweight. It will also detect errors on your code and let you correct them. I believe Angular CLI is a must for any Angular developer, whether you're just getting started or experienced. Finally, number 1 and 2. Visual Studio Code along with Angular Essentials plugin. I was not able to decide which one comes first and which one comes second because these two things are best when they are used together. I have used a lot of different IDEs such as Atom, Sublime, and Brackets. I personally used to like WebStorm by JetBrains a lot, and every developer have their own preferences. But what makes Visual Studio Code stand out is how it handles TypeScript out of the box. It provides IntelliSense, error detection and correction, and code formatting straight out of the box. This is because both the language and the text editor are both developed by Microsoft. Visual Studio Code is completely free, and for me, it is one of the best text editors out there. To top it off, you can install a plugin called Angular Essentials by John Papa. It is a combination of 9 different packages which will provide you things like Angular snippets, Angular language service, editor config, TSLint, Chrome debugger, Path IntelliSense, Angular inline, a dark theme with bright fonts called Winter is Coming, and Prettifier. It'll make your life a lot easier. That's it from me today. Thanks everyone for watching. Hit the like button if you like it and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.